What's up, Dingles Crypto? So we're going to continue our DeFi exploration series with Pooltogether. And Pooltogether is basically a no-loss lottery. You can enter a pool and then it gains interest. And then every week they pick a winner and they send the interest that the pool earns to their wallet. So it's a no-loss lottery, which is really cool. Before we jump into the details, follow me on Twitter, joshhudson.eth. Follow me on TikTok for short little fun videos. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like my content. I appreciate it. Comment below on what protocol you want me to go over next. Now let's jump right into it. So basically it's pretty simple, but I also want to talk about the potential of Pooltogether with other gambling techniques, right? Like instead of the casino, a casino becoming a no-loss lottery, right? So you get tickets, you deposit it into a prize pool, and then instantly get tickets, receive one ticket for one DAI, and then it earns interest, and then you never lose because after the interest is earned, you get your original deposit back, right? So you this is the protocol right now. So one DAI, so then it gives you the odds of winning. Say you deposit $5,000 worth, right? Then you have 1 in 315 every week, right? So you should technically win once every 4 years, or actually 6 years. So once every 6 years, you should win. What's the prize here? What's the prize? Oh, $1,500. So at the end of the day, it's pretty much the same interest rate that you would get from a traditional pool interest rate. But what makes me excited about this is the potential. It also does not have a token, a governance token. And it doesn't sound like they are going towards the governance token direction, but who knows if other protocols take advantage, because Pooltogether has been out for a while and they haven't had much development, right? So right now their tickets allow you to vote on protocols, but I don't understand why they don't come out with a governance token that also, if you participate in this protocol, you would get rewarded in that governance token that allows you to vote, so that worries me to a degree, but also provides an opportunity because I don't understand why they wouldn't do that, right? So let's just like Omen, right? Omen.eth allows you to gamble. So you can you could have bet on the election, and you still can with the token, which I really like. Omen. You can create your own market, and basically you just create a betting market. But you can do this in a no-loss way. If you bet and it goes into a pool that earns interest, and then the winning bet gets the interest, and then the loser gets their initial deposit back, and the winner just gets the winner's share, the interest earned on the pool. So it's kind of, I don't understand why they haven't pushed that farther. I mean, Pooltogether has been out for a while, right? A year and a half, 2 years. They have been developing stuff, but I mean, it hasn't developed as much as it really should have. I mean, it's been doing the same thing for a year and a half and hasn't really came out with any new products. Maybe they have some in the pipeline, but I was looking through their Discord, and I haven't seen any real improvements or real things in the pipeline. So that kind of doesn't excite me as much. So we'll see what happens. They do have some good developers. I mean, good developers. Here's one, and here's another. The chief technical officer of Pooltogether. So there's a lot of possibilities with Pooltogether, right? Which excites me. But also, they haven't implemented any real improvement since the protocol was released. Either they haven't, or the the improvements have been so small that I haven't really noticed. So it is built on Ethereum, but there's also so much more potential, right? No loss sports gambling and Eclaros arbitration protocol could be the moderator of this, or anything. I mean, or eventually use Chainlink to moderate sports gambling, right? And have a no loss sports gambling protocol. The possibilities are huge. And imagine having a no loss sports gambling protocol. Mind blown. I mean, we'll see what happens. There's a lot of potential. But that's all I have for you today. That's Pooltogether. I do like it, and I have used it several times, although I haven't won. But I have received my initial deposit back, and it worked perfectly. So that is it for you today for Pooltogether, with a short little fun video. But it's also doesn't do much except a no loss lottery. So it was a short little video. Subscribe and like and comment your next protocol you want me to explore. Well, peace out. Thanks for watching.